Hello and welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week we highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is the SUNEX Tools 2-piece dual joint extended reach plier set, which features a compound joint design. The jaw is open to 2 inches wide while the handles require minimal movement. Next is the GoJak self-loading dolly from Zendex Tool Corp, which is built for heavy-duty applications. This dolly has a 9,500-pound total capacity and 2,375-pound load per wheel. The Skewdriver from SpecTools is a bevel gear offset screwdriver with a 1-inch head profile designed to drive fasteners in tight spaces and hard-to-reach locations. Next is the Big Buddy Turbo Flame Torch from Blazer Products, which delivers a 2,500-degree Fahrenheit butane blue wind-resistant turbo torch flame. Finally, our last tool is the Carbyne Tools 8-piece tap socket set, which allows technicians to drive taps in confined spaces where traditional tap handles will not fit. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. If any of these products piqued your interest, give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletter and print issues by following links below. See you next week.